Ah. Mm. Whoa. Eggnog. I know, there's a swig of that. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Telling you. How's it going? Who's on the ramen reader? Oh my god. That's got a burn on it. Oh my god. I'm trying to tell you what I'm doing. All right. Oh, we're going. I just had one that was like super spicy and it just keeps coming back and back and back and back and back and back. I've done eggnog. I've done a mini Hershey bar. Done Coke. Brutal. That's a little better. Runny nose and everything. Wow. Check that out. This is not spicy like that. This is delicious, delightful, wonderful, and fun. This is Red Chef with their Sakura Prawn. It's a spicy Sakura Prawn soup noodle from Malaysia. It's not the same kind of spicy. This stuff rocks my freaking world. Number 2 on the Ramen Reader's top 10 instant noodles of all time. 2019, 2018. It's good. Red Chef. Oh, God. Man. Good God. I apologize. Wow, my spicy muscle is definitely out of practice. Gotta fix that and do it soon. I did a bunch of reviews when we're getting ready for the top 10 spicy list. Oh. Wow, I'm like even almost like seeing stars. Wow. From a very innocuous looking instant noodle. It says spicy on it. It's the one from yesterday. What'll that be? Review 928 or episode 928? I think. 927, 928, this would be 929. I might be off by one. It's an Indonesian one. Anyways, let's get down to business. Down to brass tacks. This is a quote out of the book Momofuku Endo Speaks by the inventor of instant noodles. Number 120. We vow to never sell products that would undermine the health of our consumers. Wow. There are a lot of people that would take oh, I didn't set the timer. A lot of people that would take exception to that statement with instant noodles. Personally, I don't know. A lot of people think instant noodles are absolutely the worst thing in the world, but you know what? They're not. Especially if you live in a place that food handling, food safety isn't 100%. A lot of people like to say, oh, well, you know, those noodle factories. But it's like, no. I've been to noodle factories. Some big ones, and I'll tell you what, yo, they're so proud and work so hard on their industry certifications for like food handling and this and that. You know, I think it's pretty intense, pretty forefront of mind for these people. All right, I didn't set the timer, but I can tell by stirring. These are good. Wow, it still burns, and I ate a little. Yeah, So the first thing we're dropping in is the aw yeah paste. This is super duper magic paste. There's two companies in Malaysia. Okay. So there's this company, and there's another company called My Quali. And they make different products, and they use different pastes. But they all kind of jibe together in certain recipes. Like, My Quali's got a, what do you call it? This one's a Sakura Prawn, theirs is a Hokkien Prawn. But they do have nuanced differences. There's the white curry for My Quali. These guys have a pandan white curry. It's like, it's all about like subtle differences and stuff. But honestly, I like this prawn. Seems stronger. Some people don't like prawn that's strong as I do, and so one kind of leans towards that market. One leans towards like the hardcore market. Personally, I find this stronger. They both have, though, fried onions. Like, really good fried onions. Like, nice, big, awesome fried onions. Toppings. Toppings are fun. Who doesn't like the sprinkles, right? I'm kind of bummed. It's like, this one and the last one, I only had one egg left. There is no egg carton in the fridge. We are eggless at our house, right? Oh my god. Wow, that's freaking prawn-tastic. Look at that. Look at this stuff. Just look. Like, what? The scent coming off of this is like I had a bucket of prawns that were like fried, or it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. And when I was in Malaysia, I tried so much freaking Hokkien prawn. My god. I want to say we went and had prawn mee at maybe 10 places. Freaking ridiculous. All right, when you guys wake up, go down to the to a hotel, go down to the food area, go get yourself something, a bite to eat, and then we'll go out. And what do? We go to this place to try food. We go this place to try food. We go to this place. I mean, literally all I did with my wife and our hosts in Malaysia was try food. That's it. And I tell you what, it was the most amazing education I've ever had. Here, food is not food. It doesn't have any flavor. In Penang, everything is so bright and punchy and extreme and balanced and severe and passionate. I mean, it's like food is wow. And this reminds me of that flavor. God, it is so hard not to just chug this bowl down right now. I have a little. Yes. Yes. I freaking love Malaysian food. I love Malaysia. Hi everybody, how you doing? That's all I gotta say about it. To me, Malaysia might quite it's funny, I go back and forth between Malaysia and Taiwan. It's like, to me, quite possibly the best country in the entire world might be Malaysia. And then it's just like, I try something Taiwanese and I'm like, on the other hand, so these are dodo fish balls. These are the lobster, fish and lobster ones. And look, they look like shumai. Look at these big freaking peaky things. So what we do is, of course, they look all like bland and blanched and funky. Take some of this thick freaking broth. Just kind of spill it over it. It's so strong, folks. If you like prawn, this will blow your mind. By the way, this came in an Exotic Nudes box. Go to exoticnudes.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider. Look at all that prawn bit stuff. Yeah, to me, this is where it's at. Doesn't even matter if it's to me. It should be to you, too. If you don't like this, there is something so wrong with you. I'm not hanging out. I'm leaving you high and dry, buddy. Here's our fried onion. And we got the left. What do we got left here? We got some. What do you call this stuff? Mung bean sprouts. There's a sprig of coriander there. And spring onion. Unfortunately, this bowl doesn't look as good as I hoped it would. But I'll tell you right now, the food that's in it, singing. Just freaking singing. I'm gonna put a little bit of this stuff that I keep forgetting to get more of at the store. Crushed red pepper like you'd put on pizza. Gonna do a little bit of sesame seed. Not really. I don't think I ever saw sesame seed on it there. What I saw was hard-boiled eggs, and when you could put a hard-boiled egg in it, the broth like stains the egg in a way that looks really cool. Ladies and gentlemen, there is almost no finer bowl. The one, now this is the regular instant noodle one. They also have one that is number 2 on the list right now. It's got rice vermicelli with it too. If that weren't around or available, this one would be in that spot. Okay? But the other one's actually, I think it's better because in Malaysia, at street vendors, you'd find ones that had both rice vermicelli and like yellow noodle. So pretty rad awesomenitude. So yeah. God, what a cool day. I think that's gonna be my kind of like my Christmas present to myself when it comes to the show. I'm just gonna do a bunch of stuff that I've got laying around that I'm not gonna review really because they'd just be re-reviews. But I absolutely love them. And yeah, need to be done up. Yeah. Out of sight. Go check out shop.theramenraider.com. You might find this on there. Yeah. Go on Facebook right freaking now, and in the search thing, type in instant noodles dash the Ramen Raider. Okay? And then the group will come up, and you can join. In the last 60 days, it's doubled in size. There's 3,000 hungry instant noodle junkies in the group right now, and they come up with all sorts of neat ideas and share them. They're really a nice crowd. So yeah, ask questions, whatever you want. Yeah, but that's it for today. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.